Hello, welcome to chapter 14, part 3, JavaScript data types, string methods and properties, brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. My name is Harish. In this session, we are going to learn about the string methods and properties in JavaScript. JavaScript string includes default properties and methods which we can use for different purposes. And first we are going to learn about the string properties, and string properties include the one property that is length property, and this length property is going to return the length of the string. So let us see a demo of this length property. Now let me jump into Visual Studio Code, and here is my HTML page, sample.html. Within that I'm having a body, within that I'm having a script tag. So let me go and write a script here, like let me show you, where I'm going to create a variable called str and I'm going to assign a string to it. So the string is hello. Okay, now I want to calculate the length of the string. So string is going to provide me one property to calculate the length of the string, that is length property. So how do I do that? Str dot length, let me call that length property. Fine. And now I'm going to now this length property is going to calculate the length of the string. So the length is 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So now let us store this the value whatever coming to some other variable. The variable is result, and now let me make use of the alert to print the output. So the result, I'm going to call that result variable, which is having the output in it. Control S. Now let me go and run this page in the browser. So I'm going to the folder where I've stored that HTML page, sample.html. When I double click on that, you can observe it's opening in the browser and we are getting the count or the length of the string as 5. This is what the specialty of this length property is, going to calculate the length of the string. Okay, and coming to the next slide, here we have some of the string methods. Not the complete string methods I've taken only the basic string methods here. If you want to explore the rest of them, then you can visit MDN site, okay, to explore the rest of the string methods. And here let me show you some of the demo of this string methods present here. Okay, the first method is char at. Okay, what it's going to return, this method is going to return the character at the specified position in the number. So let me and this caret method is going to take input the number. So let me show you how it works. It's very simple. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this. Okay, now I want to check at the first position which character is present here. As I know, like at the first position or at the 0th position we have a character H. So let me make use of this str, the variable char character at 0th position. So let me check it. So let me store this value to some other variable, that is result again. Let me tab it, and now okay, alert result. Okay, control S. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh the page again, the browser. You can observe we are getting that at the 0th position we have a character called H. Yeah, that's true. You can observe very clearly. Okay, okay. Now the values, these characters are stored from the 0th based index. So at the 0th position we have a character H. Now let me check it for at first position what we have. We know that we have E here. So let me go back and let me refresh again. We'll get the output as E. So this method, okay, character at position, this method is going to return the character at the specified position, and it is going to take the parameter in number. Okay, and coming to the second method, that is concat. Okay, concat in the sense joining two strings. So we have a method for that. Okay, in the last session, the last video, we saw like how to concatenate two strings with the help of plus operator, but we have a method to do that work. So let me go and show you how to do that. It's very simple. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove this, and var str1 is equal to hello world. Let me take it as world. Yeah, fine. And now let me concatenate these two strings. Okay, earlier what we did was we made use of str uh, plus str1, and let me alert that with alert function. Control S. Let me go back and let me refresh. We're getting hello world. Those two strings are concatenated. This is what we did in the last session, but I want to do with the help of concatenate method. How do I do that? It's very simple. Now what I'll do is I'll just remove this. Then we have something called str, okay, dot concat. Okay, to this concat, what I need to do is I need to pass the variable which I need to concat with this variable. So what I need to do is I need to add bit space between hello and world. So I'm taking this curly braces with the space between. Then I'm going to pass the variable which I need to concatenate with this variable. So I need to concatenate string 1. Okay, Control S. Now let me go back and let me refresh. You can observe. Okay, there is some error. Let me go and check. Concat, C-O-N-C-A-T. Okay, the spelling mistake, concat. Now let me go back and let me refresh. You can observe we got hello world with the space in between because we have taken here braces with the empty space, so we are getting an empty space there. This is how you'll concatenate two strings with the help of concat method. Okay, this is what about the concat method is. And coming to index of, okay, what is this index of going to return? It returns the index of the first occurrence of the specified text in the string. Okay, now let me go and show you the demo of that. It's very simple. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just remove all these things. Okay, now let me show you something like please locate me where locate is. Now we have two words here, locate. We have locate at two positions, like here at the starting as well as at the ending, also in a single string. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to str the variable dot index of, okay, let me check it, the uppercase, yeah, it is uppercase O, if index of so let me pass locate. Okay, now it's going to return the index of this locate, this word locate, or this word locate. Now let us go and check it. Now let me store this to some other variable called result. Okay, after that let me call alert window just to take that result variable and push it in the alert window, the result. Control S. Let me go back and let me refresh. You can observe, okay, we're getting the value output as 7. Okay, what does it mean? In the sense, it's going to return the index of this locate, first locate. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, yeah, the index of, it's returning the index of this locate. Okay, 7th, it is at the 7th position. Okay, this is what the index of. And we have another method, that is last index of. It returns the index of last occurrence of a specified text in a string. In the sense, we have locate word at two positions, at the starting of the string as well as ending of the string. Suppose if I want the locate at the end of the string, ending of the string, then I need to make use of the last index of. So this is what the last index of looks. Okay, it is last index of high capital, all of them are capital here. So last index of, Control S. Let me go back and let me refresh. You can observe, yeah, there is some mistake there again. Let me go and fix it. Control S and let me refresh. Yeah, we're getting the last index is 23. Yes, in the sense, you can observe very clearly this locate is present at the 23rd position. Okay, and it is returning the locate from the last. It's identifying the locate position from the last. Okay, in the sense, if you count from here, this locate is at the 23rd position. So when we make use of this last index of, it's going to return the occurrence of the particular word in a string from the last position. Okay, this is what the last index of is. And we have something called replace and slice. Let me show you the replace one right now. For example, let me do like this. Let me go back here. um, mm, okay, Microsoft technologies. Now I want to replace this technologies with Microsoft Visual Studio. So how do I do that? Str dot replace. We have a method called replace to do that work. To that, first we have to specify what we have to replace. In the sense, first what we have to replace. We have to replace this technologies word, this technology keyword with Microsoft Visual Studio. So technologies. Now I want to replace this technologies with something, that is Visual Studio. Visual Studio C 2017. Now what is the output we are going to get? We are going to get the output as Microsoft Visual Studio RC 2017. Now let me store it to some variable called result. Yes. Now let me alert it with the help of alert function. Control S. Let me go back and let me refresh. You can observe we're getting the output as Microsoft Visual Studio RC 2017. In the sense, what is this method going to do? This method is going to replace the technologies word with the Visual Studio RC 2017 word. Okay, this is what we learned of replace method. Now let me show you the last method, that is slice. Okay, what this slice method does, it takes two parameters, that is the starting position from where it has to start do slicing and last ending. It extracts a section of a string based on a specified starting and ending index and returns a new string. So let me go and show you that. It's very simple. I need to remove again this one. Okay, let me take something like fruits. Yeah, apple, comma, banana, then something called grapes. Yeah, yes. Now what I'm going to do is where I'm going to create a variable called result, and here I'm going to tell like string dot slice. I'm going to call a slice method. To this slice method I'm going to tell like from where it has to do where it has to slice the text of a string. So I want banana to be sliced. So how do I do that? It's very simple. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 from the 7th position. Okay, 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, so what I need to do is from this piece of string I want only banana. So how do I slice that? I can slice that by passing from where the banana index starts and where it ends. It starts at the 7th position and ends at the 13th position. So now when I alert the result, now we'll get output as, okay, let me show you the banana. Yes, this is how you can slice a piece of word from the string with the help of slice method. Okay, still we have so many methods of string. Okay, but I can't show you all the methods of a string, so I've taken only the basic things here and also a property. If you want to learn more about string methods and properties, you can visit MDN site for that. Okay, and finally, thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Ankpro Training. You can also like our Facebook page visiting this URL. You can also follow us on Twitter for further reference refer websites. We are on LinkedIn too. Last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.